Scene script. Think about this. Nearly 1 in 10 Americans are diagnosed with diabetes, and diet plays a monumental role in managing this condition. When it comes to diabetes, every meal counts, but breakfast is particularly pivotal. Starting your day with the right foods can stabilize blood sugar levels from the morning onward. In our journey today, we'll uncover 11 top healthy breakfast options that are not just nutritious, but also diabetic-friendly. So, what should you eat for breakfast if you have diabetes? Stay tuned to find out. First on our list is oatmeal, but not just any oatmeal. Let's delve into the world of steel-cut oats, a superior choice for anyone, particularly those managing diabetes. Unlike their instant counterparts, steel-cut oats are processed minimally, ensuring they retain more fiber and nutrients. This is crucial because fiber plays a pivotal role in slowing down the absorption of sugar, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Now, why does this matter? The fiber in oats, particularly soluble fiber, forms a gel-like substance in the gut, which aids in the slow release of glucose into the bloodstream. This means a more controlled and gradual increase in blood sugar rather than a spike. A pro tip from nutrition experts emphasizes the importance of how you prepare your oatmeal. Opting for water or a milk alternative and avoiding the temptation to overload it with sweeteners can make all the difference. Add some fresh berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a touch of natural sweetness and flavor. Remember, the key is choosing the right type of oats and keeping it low on sweeteners. Eggs, a powerhouse of protein that can be your next breakfast champion. When considering breakfast options, eggs stand out not only for their nutritional value, but also for their particular benefits to diabetics. Rich in high-quality protein, eggs help in managing blood sugar levels by providing a feeling of fullness and delaying hunger. This can be incredibly beneficial for maintaining stable glucose readings throughout the morning. Moreover, the versatility of eggs in cooking is unparalleled. Whether you're in the mood for a soft-boiled egg, a gently poached delight, or a fluffy omelet, eggs can be prepared in ways that require minimal or no added fats. This makes them an ideal choice for a heart-healthy diet, crucial for those managing diabetes. Experimenting with herbs and spices can add wonderful flavors without the extra calories or sugar. Imagine starting your day with a plate of poached eggs sprinkled with a pinch of turmeric and black pepper, or a scramble mixed with fresh spinach and mushrooms. Eggs aren't just versatile, they're a great way to start a stable energy day. Now, let's blend taste with health, Greek yogurt and berries. Greek yogurt, especially the unsweetened variety, is a superstar in the breakfast lineup for those looking to manage their glucose levels. Packed with high-quality protein, it can help slow the absorption of carbohydrates into the bloodstream, providing a more stable energy source without spiking blood sugar levels. Plus, its creamy texture makes it a delightful base for adding other nutritious toppings. Speaking of toppings, let's talk about berries. Whether you choose blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these small fruits are mighty warriors in the realm of health. They're renowned for their antioxidant properties, which combat oxidative stress, and their low glycemic index means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. For a simple yet delicious breakfast, swirl a handful of mixed berries into your bowl of Greek yogurt. This not only infuses your meal with vibrant colors and flavors, but also adds a nutritional punch that supports overall well-being. This combination not only tastes great, but also keeps your blood sugar in check. Ever thought tiny seeds could help manage diabetes? Meet chia seeds. Chia seeds might be small, but they pack a powerful punch, especially for individuals managing diabetes. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and most importantly, fiber. This high fiber content is crucial as it can slow down the digestion process, resulting in a more gradual rise in blood glucose levels after meals. Here's a delightful way to incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine. Chia seed pudding. To make this simple yet delicious dish, start by mixing a quarter cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add a dash of cinnamon for a hint of spice and a natural sweetness without the sugar spike. Let the mixture sit overnight in your refrigerator, and by morning you'll have a creamy, satisfying pudding. Chia seeds are not just for pudding, sprinkle them over other dishes and enjoy the benefits. Who doesn't love avocado toast? Let's make it diabetic-friendly. Ah, the beloved avocado toast. When crafted thoughtfully, it not only tantalizes the taste buds but also supports blood sugar management. The star here, avocados, are rich in healthy fats, which are essential for slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates. This process helps in maintaining a more stable blood sugar level after meals. Now, to construct the perfect diabetic-friendly avocado toast, start with a slice of whole grain or low-carb bread. These options are higher in fiber and lower in fast-acting carbohydrates, making them a smarter choice for maintaining blood glucose levels. Top this with fresh slices of ripe avocado. For an extra flavor kick, consider a sprinkle of salt, a dash of pepper, or even a few drops of lime juice. Remember, moderation is key in managing calorie intake effectively. And there you have it. A simple, nutritious, and utterly delicious meal option. Avocado toast can be both delicious and a smart choice for your diabetic diet. Nut butter, a creamy, fiber-rich spread that's perfect for diabetics. When we talk about nut butters, we're not just referring to the classic peanut butter. There's a whole array of options like almond, cashew, and even sunflower seed butter. Each of these are packed with healthy fats that not only keep you full, but also help manage your blood sugar levels more effectively. One of the key things to remember when choosing a nut butter is to look for varieties without added sugars or excessive salt. This is crucial because added sugars can cause a spike in blood glucose levels, which is exactly what we want to avoid. For a hearty and diabetic-friendly breakfast, try spreading a thin layer of your chosen nut butter on a slice of whole grain bread. Whole grains are excellent as they're high in fiber, which aids in digestion and also helps to maintain a steady blood sugar level. Just a thin layer can transform your whole grain toast into a delicious and nutritious meal. Sip your way to stable blood sugar levels with a nutritious smoothie. Dive into the world of blended breakfasts where taste and health blend seamlessly. Start with the basics. Berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these fruits not only tantalize your taste buds but also have a low impact on your blood sugar. But why stop at berries? Throw in some greens for good measure. Spinach and kale are not just for salads. They pack a punch of vitamins and minerals when whipped into your morning smoothie. These leafy greens are virtually flavorless amidst the fruity goodness, but elevate the nutrient content significantly. Now, to ensure your smoothie is as filling as it is delicious, add a protein source. A dollop of Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder can transform your fruity concoction into a meal that keeps you energized and your blood sugar levels in check. Remember, the blender is your friend in creating diverse, healthy breakfast options. Cottage cheese isn't just for dieters, it's a diabetic superfood. Let's delve into why this humble dairy product is a fantastic choice for those managing diabetes. Cottage cheese is packed with high-quality protein, which plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. This protein content not only helps in managing hunger but also aids in slowing down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, making it an excellent food choice for maintaining steady glucose levels throughout the day. For a delightful and nutritious breakfast, consider pairing cottage cheese with a small portion of fruits such as berries or peaches. These fruits add a natural sweetness and vital fiber, enhancing the meal's nutritional profile without causing a significant spike in blood sugar. Alternatively, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds can add a satisfying crunch and a dose of healthy fats, further helping to moderate blood sugar rises. To sum it up, cottage cheese is versatile and can be tailored to suit any taste. Managing diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing delicious meals, especially for breakfast. Today we've explored 11 top breakfast options, from the hearty power of oatmeal to the smooth delight of Greek yogurt and berries. Each choice offers unique benefits and flavors that can enrich your morning meal. Experiment with these foods, mix and match, and discover what best suits your taste and health needs. Always remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any dietary changes. Explore these options and transform your morning routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.